In this video, we'll go over Energy Web token. What is currently happening with the crypto? Will it be one of the small percentage of coins that won't go to zero for the next bull run? With such changes in the cryptocurrency markets such as the crash of Luna or the frozen funds of Celsius, cryptocurrency has definitely changed over the past few years, with the rise of meme coins and NFTs. In this video, we'll see if the coin has the potential to go to the moon for this upcoming bull run. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Energy Web to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. There are many ways to make money in crypto. For example, if you only took a $1,000 leveraged short position on Luna at its price of $110 and rode its downfall to zero, you could have potentially walked off with over $1 million. But with such a risk on your investment, not many recommend leverage trading, especially in crypto. NFTs have also taken the market by storm, from people buying a monkey JPEG for $300 and selling it at over $400,000 6 months later. But because there are so many opportunities, and now that we are in a bear market, no one really knows what to dabble into. So this is why we're taking a look at Energy Web token, to see if it has the potential to run 1000x on your money for the next bull run. So, what exactly is Energy Web token? Energy Web token is the operational token behind the Energy Web chain, a blockchain-based virtual machine designed to support and further application development for the energy sector. Energy Web Chain was launched in June 2019. The Energy Web Foundation is the non-profit enterprise behind the project. EWT aims to bring diversity to the energy sector by allowing developers to create decentralized applications. The virtual machine has the potential to benefit actors from all areas of energetics, including grid operators, software developers, and vendors. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. When creating the Energy Web chain, founders RMI and GSE were looking to launch a versatile blockchain solution for a wide range of applications in the energy sector. One of the main selling points of EWT is that it offers enterprises the opportunity to create completely customized decentralized apps. While blockchains like Ethereum also provide this diversity, Energy Web Chain was purposefully designed for the energy sector. Considering the fact that the Energy Web Chain is created with enterprise use in mind, it supports state-of-the-art scalability and data privacy. The foundation also recently released a stacked tech solution called Energy Web Decentralized Operating System. It allows users to control and manage their electrical systems online. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $29 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps the community.